Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you how we can host the n8n for free. n8n Cloud is very good, but initially we will get only 15 days of free trial, 15 or 14 days I think. And after that we have to pay some amount, then only we can use. But most of the time when we are doing learning and we are just trying out the things, we don't want to pay for the n8n. Obviously we can host the n8n on localhost and we can install it on our computer also, but there is another way also where we can host the n8n for free. So for this, we are going to use render. Okay, let's do the login into render. So using render, we can host any kind of website. So there are different kind of models. So first, just log in using Google. Okay, so we have different kind of things here: static sites, web services, private services. So now, as we want to deploy a web app, so because n8n will be a web app over there, so we will click here, new web service. So now we have three options: Git provider, public Git repository, or existing image. So now here, if we'll go to this website, Docker image, so we can see here this. Now we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. So docker.n8n.io/n8n, io/n8n will be the Docker image URL. So let's connect. Let's make the name n8n personal, something like that. Now here we have different kind of models. When I was talking about the models, I was referring to different kind of their plans. So they have a starter plan, standard plan, pro, but we want it for free. So for free, here we can select the free option. Here we are getting 512 MB of RAM and zero point 0.1 CPU. But the problem with the free instance is after inactivity for a long time, so approximately if we are not using the website for 15 minutes, it will stop running. Then again, we have to do the process again. We have to again deploy the website. So for this, I'm going to provide you the trick. But first, let's host the website for once. So, so we can click deploy web service. It will take some time to deploy. We can see here the URL for our website. If we click on this, see application is loading, it is getting deployed. So once the deployment will be completed, we will be able to use the n8n over there. Let's see. Okay, so now we can see here it is live. So now if I will click again on this, okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's figure out what is the error. Database timeout, database connection recovered. It is showing live, so it should work. Let's wait for a second. Let's, yeah, now it's working. Sometimes it do take time. So now we have to register this. I will use my name. Next. Okay, so in order to get paid features for free, we have to just click send me free license key. Now, if we'll open our email ID, check, didn't get it yet. Let's wait. Yeah, received it. So this is the license key. We have to copy. Then here's the settings option. We can go to the usage and plan. And so now our n8n is activated. It's free. We can create workflows. But the problem here is, if you will look into here, it's clearly mentioning your free instance will spin down with inactivity, which can delay request by 50 seconds or more. It means it's a free instance and it will stop working after 15 minutes of inactivity. So in order to overcome this, obviously we will not be able to use the website continuously for 24 hours. So there is another hack for that. So we'll use CronJob. Yeah. So using CronJob, we will schedule an execution for the website. So it will send requests to the website in every 5 to 10 minutes so that our website will be active always. So let's open this. Let's do the sign up. Let's make it. So we have to fill the confirmation here. Activate account. Now we can do the sign in. Okay. So now here we have to create a cron job. Just click on this. Just make the n8n. Now for the URL, we have to take this URL. So which is actually this URL. So now we can paste this URL and let's do it within every 5 minutes. First, let's test it out. Okay, got it. So everything looks good. Let's create it. So now what will happen? Every 5 minutes, it will send request to our n8n free instance so that it will be active always. So this is a quick hack or trick we can use to use the n8n always for free. Thanks for watching.